special feeling in Oldsmobile. There is a special feeling in Oldsmobile. More than the luxury ride, it's a feeling of pride that you feel inside.
Hey everyone, and welcome to the Redline channel. This is my 1966 Oldsmobile Toronado. I've been working on this car for a couple of years, and we're finally going to be doing the main test drive today. Got some more goodies packed up into this 425. Originally made 375 horsepower. This one's been tuned up a bit. Better cam. Some Speed Pro pistons. And the camshaft was made by Supercar Unlimited. The grind kind of mimics what the 442 W30s with AC had in terms of its lift and duration. We got Joe Mondello roller rockers. The first editions, I believe, they're purple. That's pretty much it. Not too much you can actually do to these Toronado engines, due to the fact that these cars are front-wheel drive. The transaxle actually runs right here, so you can't exactly put headers or anything on these. They just barely clear the wheel well. Not like your typical Cutlass, where you actually have a little bit of room to play with, and then you can just put like a mini start on there. This car is a factory non-AC, just plain heater car. Came from Arizona though, so I guess the original owner was a bit of a masochist to himself to have himself go through this grueling heat with black interior. It's got power steering, power brakes, a single reservoir, which will be changed out eventually. It's kind of hard to get parts right now. It's been switched over to a Petronix Igniter 2 ignition. So, but I still have the original points. And I'll be keeping those on me because, hey, guess what? Even this new technology these days fails, and sometimes you just got to go back. Just a couple bolts and 3A socket to put it back. But besides the Petronix, everything's pretty much how it would have been in the 70s, 80s if someone had one of these cars and wanted to soup it up, I guess. Let's go to the interior. In the interior, we got a Bosch tack, and that's what was available in the stores. It works though, works really well. Let's hop in here. On the other side, have aftermarket water temp and oil pressure gauges. On this, the Tornados, the oil pressure is just by a dummy light, which I found out doesn't work on this car, and that's how I blew up the original engine in this. And then you have a temp gauge, which kind of doesn't read properly. But since the temp gauge is now down here, able to put this tack here, block the old temp gauge because it just sits there and no longer works. And I was able to get the gauge to sit up here, and we can still use, the telescopic feature and the tilt. That all works still. So it's a little hard to do with one hand, but hey, you get the general gist. So I'm going to mount you guys on the windshield here, and we're going to take this thing for its main test drive. hope you enjoyed those short clips. I'll try to order something together. Car runs really, really well. And I will be taking this to the Oldsmobile Nationals. Or I guess it Drag Nationals, whatever you want to call it. This Saturday and Sunday. And I'll be also there on Friday of this week. I'll have the dates thrown up here at Norwalk Dragway, or as it's known now as Summit Motorsport Park in Norwalk, Ohio. Friday is Test and Tune. Saturday is All Cars Eliminator. And then Sunday is the all Oldsmobile powered and just regular body Oldsmobile. So if you have like a Trans Am with like a 403 in it or something, or a S10 with like a 455, you can bring those, you know, as long as it has like an Oldsmobile power plant in it. That'll be on Sunday, and they'll do qualifying and then the actual eliminator bracket event. There will be multiple classes: stock, pro stock. What's the other one? They got, I'm not sure if they're doing King of the Hill this year yet. I guess we'll see. I'll be in the stock class, of course. You know, I'm not running drag radials or anything like that. Yeah, come on out. I'll have the link down below to the Facebook post that shares more information on it. And I will also put at the end of the video here a screenshot of all the dates and everything for you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you this weekend for the Oldsmobile Nationals 2021.